Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about sample very easy mapping that is like reads the data from S3 source, the flat file in and loading into the Oracle table. The main intention of this discussion is how the bucket we are going to create it in S3 services, the simple storage service with the public access, but generally this public access granting is not advisable, but for demo purpose we are doing that. And second thing is we need to create a access and secret key on the specific Amazon user account. And when we are going into the administrative services in Informatica cloud, we are going there and configuring the S3 connection services. Like once it is done, means like as part of this bucket creation, the third step we are going to upload the file as well. Okay, and here after doing the step 1 2 3, so the followed by the mapping implementation, we are going to target reading the source of AWS S3 flat file and loading into target Oracle database. Let me walk you through. See, if you see my AWS account here, so this is the SW okay, S3 services, basically simple storage service. What I have here, already created the bucket name called tutorials SC with a full public access. You can see that. So under that I've already added a sample file, a flat file. The flat file will look like this one. uh, uh, so this is the flat file, the new industry underscore sic dot csv. Okay, SSC code and description is the column, and this is the corresponding data from that. Okay, so sample of 9 records is there. So if you go back again, so under permission tab, if you go there, I created a policy as well. This is the policy will ensure it will completely allow with following action: putting and getting the object, and getting the bucket ACL and delete access. So these all things you can grant it. So to quickly glance through how I got this, this is the good presentation you can go through from the Informatica what they have provided. I can share it in my video posted. You can read that okay, offline. Okay, so now this is the policy I've created as well. Once this all are done, then then the next thing, as I told, we'll go to the Informatica Cloud Administrator Services and go there and create a new connection. Okay, but make sure that you make use of a new connection like Amazon S3 trial services. So that you can configure and select the AWS S3. What I mean to say is, like, if you go to new connection here, when you enroll the new connection of Amazon S3 version 2, like the clouds, this one, so you can configure it same like what I did before. Okay, so this is what I had done already as a the pre-configured information. What I had done, I am not going to repeat that, but I'm going to show it like how I had done. If you see here, I chose that Amazon trial type, connection type, and I named it Amazon S3, and this is the my runtime environment, and this is the access key and secret access key what I've generated, that is particular to this user account, Amazon account. Okay, so that is something you can grab it. Once those things done, and you can specify the folder path, and finally you can save it. For additional security reason, if you want to mention ARN, it's optional, but ultimately the policy, everything's been set properly, then you are good to go. Okay, so this is all done. Now let's go jump into creating of a mapping now. So I'll go to data integration. Here I'm going to create a simple mapping. I'm going to give am underscore AWS S3 to Oracle load. Okay, so this is the mapping name I'm creating, and source we are going to select AWS S3 and leave the source type as single object. Here when you click a select button, you should see the folder what you configured already. From that folder you can see what is the list of files. Like if I go back here in my AWS S3 that the folder what I've created, this is the file, the same what you're seeing in the data integration. Okay, select the file, and once it is selected you are good with the source side. You can preview the data if you want, same like in the terminal side what I've displayed with the cat command. So you'll see the 9 records, see here. But and the other interesting part what you need to do is the formatting. Drop down you must select flat file because it's a comma separated, correct? So the delimiter file, CSV file, so you must select accordingly. So in this case I choose flat file. So once it is been selected appropriately, you will see in a good tabular fashion. Okay, SAC code and description, it came up neatly. Now the next thing is, as usual, go to the target side and select the target as Oracle here. Okay, and here I already created a temporary table called um, okay, so I already created in my Oracle side, so we'll select that table. Okay, so if you want to set to truncate target, it's up to you. Okay, it's optional. I'm saving that, and before saving that, let's do the field mapping and do the smart map. And in case it is not mapped, manually manage it to do save this mapping now, and we are good to run the mapping now. So it is valid, so run the mapping. Okay, the job has been kicked off. So yeah, let's wait for this to complete. That's all, friends. The 9 records have been read from the AWS S3 Bucket object store folder called tutorials SC. Under that we have new underscore industry underscore sic.csv and loaded into Oracle target table. Let us verify the same thing. So now you can see all 9 records have been loaded from S3 Bucket what you read. That's all, friends, for the today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.